Don't panic, I haven't been sponsored, it's okay. This is stolen. Hang on. Yes, Your Honour, I am unboxing a new 3D printer in this section of the video, but don't worry, it's not mine. They say that limitations are a gateway to success, and by the time I switched to this camera angle, I realised that I was recording in slow motion. So there's a limitation, let's see if we can make success of it. This is a Flashforge AD5M that my class won by designing a tool for lifting doors into door frames. I know they're very, very clever kids. So let's talk about the printer. The Flashforge Adventurer 5 is the second Flashforge printer that I have any kind of experience with. My previous classes have also won the same contest before, and we won some Flashforge Adventurer 4 printers, which were very good machines. I don't have a lot of experience personally with using them because I've been a Creality guy because I'm cheap. This is my first chance to have a real go at an apparent unbox and print scenario type printer. It was relatively straightforward to set up and unbox. I didn't have any trouble in that department, although I did change my mind 3 or 4 times about which way up the spool holder went, and to be honest, I didn't check the instructions. I just went with whatever I thought was right. I've seen this printer priced between $500 and $800 depending on the time of year that you're buying it, so I can't really talk too much about whether it's good value for money. Plus, we got this one for free. As someone that's used to a lot of tinkering and fettling when it comes to 3D printers, the setup for this machine was quite straightforward. I just followed the prompts, pressed the buttons when I needed to, loaded the filament, although my eyes and that screen, it was a little bit tricky, but it probed and buzzed its way through its setup process, and you can see the little red blob. That means it's done. Every 3D printer comes with some pre-sliced files on the SD card or USB stick, and this was no different. But I decided I wanted to do something different. So I loaded up a brand new roll of filament, and I found a file that was considerably bigger than your standard Benchy or calibration cat, and I wanted to see if this thing could print a 14.5-hour print right out of the box. I found a great low poly shark head that I scaled to fit onto the print bed so it would fill up as much space as possible.
You're going to need a bigger boat.
I'm a huge fan of Jaws. It is my favourite film of all time, bar none, and my local cinema is going to show it for the 50th anniversary, so I get to live out my dream of seeing it at the movies. So, did it work? Let's find out together. Printed shark do 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 do, printed shark do 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 do, printed shark do 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 do, printed shark. I'm blown away by the quality of this print and how easily the supports broke away. As far as cost goes, this printer is in the Bamboo Lab P1S, P1P sort of price range, and does it work out of the box with a long print with no setup? You bet it does.